You have a pair of old Audio-Technica ATH M50X, but your headband is crumbling and it's too difficult to replace. In today's video, I'll show you the perfect solution. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you our WC BandZ V2 headband covers for Audio-Technica ATH M50X and other Audio-Technica models. For the full list, you can either check the description below or you will see them scrolling on the screen right now. Alright everyone, I gotta be honest with you. Our first version honestly sucked. I thought that making it with a Velcro instead of using a zipper is going to be much better in the long run, but I was wrong. If you were one of the customers who got our V1 and didn't like it, or maybe you did like it and you want to try a new version, simply contact me and I'll refund your money and send you a replacement to try. I obviously thought it was a good idea, but I was wrong. So today, I'm going to show you why this version is much better, why it fits completely flush with the headset, why it's much easier to install, and I'll show you how to install them. So let me move you to the top of the table and I'm going to show you right now. By the way, if you want to grab these, there's a link in the top right corner right now or in the description below. I'm going to talk more about it at the end of the video.
Okay, so this is going to be very simple. The first thing you need to notice is that the logo, the Wicked Cushions logo, is on the inside of the headband cover. So make sure that you align the inside of the headband cover to the inside of the headband. Now, you want to connect the zipper, and I would suggest that you try to connect the zipper on the plastic part of the headband because it's a little narrower. Once you connect the zipper, simply put the headband on top, the headband cover on top of the headband, and then continue with the zipper. Now you will see that as you zip it up, the zipper becomes flushed inside the headband cover. Now the problem that we had with the old version 1 was that it was a little too short and it didn't cover the entire headband, and also on the sides where it ends, it was very thick, so it didn't fit very well. You will also see that if you want to flush the zipper itself, simply open the lips, flip the zipper inside, and then close the lips. Now the last part, if you have any wrinkles on the headband, you're simply going to stretch it out and kind of massage it until the wrinkles are out. And that's pretty much it. Now if you want to wash your headband, if it starts to stink, simply take it out, throw it in the washers, bring it back, and you are ready to go. And that is it.
If you stay to the end of this video and you want to give our BandZ V2 a try, simply click the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below. Every order from Wicked Cushions comes with a 365-day warranty. If for whatever reason you are not in love with this product, simply contact us and we'll refund you immediately. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful and that you liked it. If you did, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.